Welcome back to another Angeldevil video, and today we are gonna be, I just made another video, but, and today, we're gonna be driving monster trucks. You know what, I don't even think this would work out. Which one should we do? We'll do. Alright, let's go. Does it have all-wheel steer? I think it has all-wheel steer, eh? Realism. This is also a Monster Trucks game. Y'all should check it out. It's actually pretty good, especially for its low amount of players, which is like when I'm playing right now. Like almost 200. Like, it's a good game. Also, I'm pretty sure my rib cage is on. Oh, ow, my arm's gone. Okay, there goes my arm. Oh my god, it's on fire. It's on. Oh my god. No, I paid $200 for you. You can't just go up in flames. Also, I'm pretty sure it's driving away. How about Jurassic attack? Max air. Okay. Oh my god. Wait, I actually jumped right there. Okay. We got it. Yeah. Hey, how do I do a wheel? I think. Okay, yeah, you can despawn that one. You can not first one. Skeet. Oh, reverse. Regain control. Let's go. Oh my god, I'm going over 100. Oh my god, I'm going 200. Oh god, this is max. Oh shoot. Ow. Let's go. We gotta hit a jump. Yeah, at least gotta do a trick. I'm doing that jump. Oh my god, my tire's gone. Oh my god, my tire's gone. And we're moving. And we can't even stop. Ow. I think that was my stopping tire, and my two front tires are gone. Okay. Watch me hit this. Oh yeah. We don't even have steering anymore, but who said I give a care? Said I care. You know, actually, I'm pretty sure that one has more destruction. I'm about to fire the zombie again. Skeet. Oh wait, hold up. I might have found it. I might have found the area where we hit our new record of jumps. Air. Max air. Oh, come on. That wasn't even my best record. Oh, I feel it. It's gonna burn up in flames. Watch. It's gonna burn. Watch. Just watch. Oh my god. Why is my tire so addicted to like falling off? Let's go. We gotta hit a jump. Yeah. Let's go. It's gonna catch on fire. Just watch. Told you. I have to edit that into a shorter, dude. Ooh, what about Gravedigger? No, I suck at races. At any type of races. Dirt bike races, yes. Monster truck races, even more somehow. Basically everything. Wait, hold on. Bam! Wait, that ain't a bigger jump time? Oh, wow. New record, yeah! Let's go! Oh, God. Ow. Oh my god, my whole shell came off. Make sure to like and subscribe too. I mean, like, I'm still in the hospital after all my bills, but like, still. god. Oh, oh. Somehow this actually has less. Oh god. Okay. Ski, ski, ski. That was a weird sounding thing. Watch me hit this jump. Watch me. Bow. Oh wait, hold up. When am I actually hit? Oh dang. Oh my god. Rib cages are flying. Wait, hold up. What if we go first person? Oh, my two front wheels are off. That makes more sense. I think when I landed, my two front wheels just got detached. For some reason, I don't even know. You want to do first person view? Ooh, they actually have realistic steering. I just can barely see like that. So it's just because I have tertiary. Let's go. Let's go. Hit max. Hit max. Vroom. Oh, we are in an uncontrolled dive. Is what I was gonna say until I was rudely interrupted. Gosh. Alright, let's leave first person, not true. I think third person. Ooh, wait, hold up. Drift. Tokyo. About 1 foot. Yeah. That's our max area. Beautiful. Build up speed, build up speed. Oh my god, man, we already hit -2 feet. How does that even work? Wait, hold up. We might be able to hit it. 107. Then we're going negative. Oh god. Oh, yep, that's what I was expecting. Oh my god, I'm somehow actually still surprised that we still haven't lost our whole body. Oh, yep, okay. Ow. Yeah. Oh my god, there goes my 2 front tires. Or at least one of them. Let's go. I think all-wheel drive actually helps. Cause like, I don't know, I had sponsorships. I'm not sponsored, by the way. They were, okay? Not me. Ooh, Megalodon. They got Megalodon. I think I just saw grass, dude. Hey, hold on. Ooh, yeah! Alright, which one we got here? Monster Mod. Let's just do you. There we go. There we go. We're better. Alright, can I go back? Wait, spawn? Wait, what? I have to buy VIP? Oh, exit. That makes more sense. Y'all heard? So I'm pretty sure my hands are a bit weird. Dude. Cat El Toro. Wow. Alright, let's see. Okay, I definitely fit better now that I'm wearing the outfit. Skeet, skeet. Beep, beep, beep. I'll probably play Project MX after this. But not recording, of course, but, like, you know. Let's go. Hit this jump. We gotta hit max, bro. Oh, yep, no man. Okay. Yeah, we're dead. New record. Shoot me. And there goes my top. Dude, that has to be turned into a short. Oh, yeah. Dude, it literally took one of my ribbons. Or whatever you want to call those. I don't know what I'm doing. Yeah. What happens if you lose all your tires in this game? I never actually realized that. Dude, I also think I'm hitting puberty, dude. My voice is getting deep for some reason. Oh my god, that's what you get. Karma. I got karma. Boss, I'm pretty sure I had some karma up in that ground. Oh, good. New record. Hey, I take it. Oh, never mind. And there goes my whole show. They don't even go off by piece. I think Megalodon does. But that's like the only one that goes off piece by piece. Not a whole show. Actually, might as well test it. Megalodon. But I was walking in place, y'all saw that. So, cause like, you see what I'm saying? Oh, barrel roll. Oh, never mind. Yeah, this one comes off piece by piece. Also, look at those teeth, man. Yeah, they definitely worked pretty hard on this. This one's more like the destruction type. Megalodon, yeah. There we go. Just had to hold down throttle for a bit. Ew. Ow. You know what? Actually, I might, like, finish there. Next time I die, / crash, that's when I'm ending, probably. Skeet. Dog, I'm tired. Let's go. Hit this. Oh my god, my tire's gone. Did y'all see that? My tire's freaking gone. Like, it's not even in life anymore. Actually, I'm pretty sure it's there, right there. Anyways, I'm gonna end it there. How the hell do you take damage from that? Oh, my axle's damaged. Anyways, I'm gonna end it there. Bye.